We're on the 1928 classic yacht Euphemia 2. I'm in the forward cabin, and I'm doing a bilge inspection and cleaning in the forward cabin leading up to the forward head, which basically starts there. So that's the Volvo diesel straight six in there. A little messy because it's been in there since 66, 67, but still works great. So I'm doing a little inspection down here. Let's see if I can get this. So it's looking solid, feels solid everywhere. Got a little bit of plumbing in there. And ultimately we're heading up into the forward head. And this, I'm tempted to bilge coat the whole thing, and I might, but there's kind of oil in the wood in the bilge that we've seen so far, but here there isn't, so I'm definitely going to bilge coat this before I call this project done, and then I might consider doing the rest. Now I've flushed it out with a whole bottle of dishwashing soap, non-toxic, biodegradable stuff, of course, and scrubbed it with a scrub brush, so it's pretty clean. So if I can, you know, take cloth to it and make it so it's not wet, maybe I will put some bilge coat on that. I just don't know how well it would adhere to oil-soaked wood. I guess I'll have to look that up. And but otherwise, this looks like it's in really good shape. It's also not taking on any water. It's been left overnight, and yeah, it's about as dry as it was. So so yeah. Next, I guess I'll bilge coat that guy. I'll wipe it out with a cloth now and bilge coat it.